Hi friends, that's Alex from DataStax, and today we are going to play with a Cassandra cluster a little bit. To be very exact, we are going to do a practical part of our core Cassandra workshop. This practical part is about data availability. So as you could guess, we are going to load some data, kill some nodes, load some more data, kill some other nodes, and see if our data is still available or not. So let's go on. First thing we are going to do, we are going to verify that our table is ready, as we will need some data to play with. And first thing we do, we are creating key space if not exist with replication factor 3 and network topology strategy. We will make a little bit cleanup and we will create a table for our experiments, call it movies by actor name, keeping information about the actor, like very simple one, last name and first name, movie title and year of release. The primary key of last name, first name and movie title, and partition key is last name and first name. And then of course we will load some data into that. Let's do it. Success, no data returned. Well, no select statements, everything goes well so far. We want to do a practice query. So we are going to select some data from our database. We see what data is available. We have everything what we need. We have different movies. Now, I want to explicitly check what every node stores with data. I will go to web terminal of the first node. I will go to web terminal of the second node. And I will go to web terminal of the third node. Okay, so on the first node, I connect to CQLSH. And I'm going to request for all the available data from killer video key space we have created, movies by actor name. Don't do it on production, but now in the test environment that's perfectly fine. Okay, so we see we have 8 records about different actors, and I expect it to be the same or on other nodes. Everything is matching, of course. And for the third node, situation is going to be the same. Well, no surprises. Okay. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to bring some chaos into that. We go to Ops Center. Ops Center is an application developed by DataStax to control, manage, monitor your Cassandra and DataStax enterprise clusters. In this case, as we see, we have a single data center cluster with 3 nodes running. Node 1, Node 2, and Node 3. And I'm going to kill some of them. So first I go to Node 2 and going to stop that. Pretty abrupt, no draining, just kill that. And I want to beat even more hard, so I'm going to switch off node number 3. I love risk. Boom. So what's going on right now? 2 nodes are getting down and only a single node going to be available. What does that mean? We just lost 3 of 4 parts of our cluster will it be able to behave like before? Let's take a look. We see in Ops Center what 2 nodes are down, and agents are very worried about that. So that's easy to check. Of course, on node 1 I'm going to repeat this request and it works well. And on node 2 and 3 it will not work. No hosts available. Of course, CQLSH by default configured to work locally with only local node, so it will not redirect requests to any other available nodes. For node 3 the situation is well. Nothing. Good. Now I'm going to insert some data. We want to add some more movies by actor for Will Smith. Let's check if there are any updates. Node 1 keeps all the information, well as node 2 and node 3 are dead. Now I'm going to run them. Start for node 2 and start for node 3. Ops Center starts missing nodes. What's going on in behind? There is a special mechanism called hinted handoffs. As soon as first node notices what node 2 and node 3 are dead, Cassandra cluster is a pretty smart thing, it will start to store hinted handoffs, kinda logs, to dispatch them to the dead nodes as soon as they will recover. In this case, those are hinted handoffs about 2 more added movies with Will Smith. And as soon as a dead node recovers, active node start to dispatch this information to the dead nodes. Cassandra has many different mechanisms to recover failed nodes, and hinted handoffs is the first line of defense for those nodes who were completely dead. Now all the 3 nodes are available, and we can make a little check if our data is available on all of them. On first it's done already, of course it was active, but how about node 2? Zanovo. On node 2 that's available, of course, but how? Zanovo. Of course data is available on node 1 as it was available during the inserts, but how about node 2? Okay, we have new movies here. And for node 3, perfect. Data is here as well. So despite the situation then all nodes were down, we still have all of our data. Now, when nodes 2 and 3 are recovered, I'm going to kill the first one. Node 1 is not available anymore. Let's check if we still have data. Nothing on node 1. And we are fine on node 2. For node 3, situation is the same. All the data has been replicated. For node 3, it's the same. All the data has been replicated. And we are done. This practical part was pretty short, but we learned a lot. Using a free nodes Cassandra cluster, we loaded some template data, then killed 2 nodes, loaded some more data, recovered them, killed first node, and see what all data is there. Cassandra cluster is ready to any outages. Thank you for being with us and have fun!